What's happening, crypto fan? Welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott. It's a pleasure to have you here. I appreciate you taking the time out to consume the content, so thank you. Today we are talking about metaverse jobs, baby, IKEA Roblox, and the rollout of metaverse employment. This will be the future for a lot of people. It seems wild to some people, seems absolutely effing crazy to other people, but some of us have been waiting for and expecting the likes of this for at least 6 years. So everybody knows in the future of the metaverse there's going to be a certain amount of ownership where people earn money off it. There's going to be a certain amount of NPCs working for people. And I don't mean the NPCs outside the real people. I mean the non-player characters within game run by AI and machine learning and memory trees will be used by people within games, but that doesn't mean that there isn't going to be a role for real people, for actual player characters to go in as an employee and earn. And IKEA is rolling it out, baby. IKEA, and they plan to pay £13.15 an hour. IKEA to pay Brits £13.15 an hour per shift to work in virtual reality store on Roblox. IKEA has advertised for 10 positions to work in its new virtual reality store set in a virtual world of Roblox. And the job pays the same hourly rate as the chain's London branches. This is fantastic. The giant IKEA has invited Brits to apply for roles at its upcoming virtual reality store. The move will see members of staff pay £13.15 per hour, the same rate employees receive at its London branches. The Scandinavian firm has partnered with online block building game Roblox for the venture. It will enable players of its new co-worker game to immerse themselves in the working world of IKEA. With 10 positions up for grabs, lucky candidates will be selected later this month before beginning their new careers on June 24th. Successful applicants will be able to flex their skills, help customers, and get promoted to move departments, just like in the real world. Fantastic. I mean, let's bounce to an actual IKEA announcement. It's opening a new store on Roblox, and you could be paid to work there. Launching on June 24, the co-worker game will allow players to experience working in IKEA's virtual universe. Fans will be able to live their home furnishing dreams and get paid for it. I don't know if anyone actually has home furnishing dreams, but if you do, that applies to you. With a limited number of paid roles available, applications for the roles in the co-worker game are open from today. That was the 3rd of June, not actually today, so 3 days ago, and they are open until the 16th of June with the position starting on the 24th. IKEA has unveiled the first look at the co-worker game, a virtual universe coming to Roblox on the 24th. The immersive experience gives players the opportunity to experience IKEA's unique approach to careers, where non-linear career journeys are the norm and lateral moves across departments are commonplace. As well as being the brand's first foray into mainstream gaming, the virtual store will give people a chance to immerse themselves in the working world of IKEA with a limited number of paid virtual co-worker roles available in the game. We're excited to be the first brand to launch paid work on Roblox to showcase how we do our careers differently, bringing our unique careers philosophy to life. At IKEA, there is no set route to career progression. Our co-workers are able to change roles, switch departments, and grow in any direction they choose, both in the game or in the real world. There are many ways to learn and grow at IKEA, and that's what IKEA on Roblox is all about. Fascinating stuff. The links to this are going to be in the description. There's more. For more information, we can go and follow thecoworker.com. It's going to bring you to the official site to apply for the job. Links will be in the description. And again, this will not be the only brand doing this, guys. This is just the first one I've seen. Will not be the last. Again, as said at the start of the video, people are going to have NPCs working for them in their lands, spaces, stores, theme parks, games, whatever. But I don't think AI is in a position to actually replace creative humans yet. from comedians to you name it. I've mentioned in the past from Grand Theft Auto 5, watching Ricky Gervais and Dave Chappelle at the Comedy Store. It could be comedy jobs in virtual worlds in the future. There could be any kind of job you can think of, and the ones that you can't even think of yet. The jobs that no one's even thought of. That once the open metaverse and virtual reality truly starts kicking off, people might be like, there's a role in that. So keep your eyes on it, especially the brands who you would like to work for. I get this ain't everyone's cup of tea. Some people are going to be like, why the fuck would I want to work at IKEA remotely for £13 an hour when I do a job I actually really enjoy and get paid 16, 17 quid an hour? Why would I go to IKEA? But someone who's on £11.50 working in an Amazon warehouse, they might see the benefit in it. They might hate the warehouse job at Amazon and think, you know what, I can earn £2.15 an hour or £2 an hour plus more on a remote job in virtual reality. Is going to feel like playing a game. Are you serious? No brainer for some people. 10 positions at first. No doubt it'll open up to more positions. Or what you'll be doing in the day-to-day, 10 lucky candidates will be selected to work in different sections of the store, like the showroom and bistro, helping people choose their furniture, serving meatballs, and having the chance to win exclusive UGC. Sorry, but serving meatballs in virtual reality. Really, Bob? Really? I mean, I get it. It's all slapstick at the end, but come on, man. Ain't no one eating no meatballs in VR. That shows how potentially easy this job's going to be. Go and give people a fake plate of fake food and watch them fakely eat it. Fascinating. This is not the typical IKEA job. Candidates will be recruited to work inside our newest store located in the gaming platform Roblox, getting a taste of what careers are like in real life IKEA. What's fascinating about this bit is, like, are these a new store in Roblox selling furniture in Roblox? Or can I buy a table in Roblox and it gets delivered at my house? That's coming in the future. Whether this offers it immediately, make no mistake, in the future you will be in a virtual world or game and you'll buy something, purchase it. Just like Ready Player One, when he purchases the sensitivity suit. He's got full body sensitivity suit. He buys it in the game and it arrives at his door a few days later. That's the future. As well as people playing and earning and all whatnot. How do you feel about being turned into pixels? I don't give a shit as long as you're paying me. If you were pixelated IKEA furniture, which one would you be and why? That's interesting. But I'd be a lamp. Because I've got bright ideas, mate. What would you do if we ran out of pixelated hot dogs in our bistro? Oh, we're going to cook some more, surely. We're going to cook some more. We're going to throw the Barbie on and cook some more motherfucking hot dogs, mate. First name, last name, email, phone. This is all generic. Your TikTok. Oh, they're going to... Oh, you don't have one. You don't have one. Don't let them search, mate. You don't want them watching this shit. Don't give me a job. Where'd you hear about this? Everywhere. Your Instagram handle, your Twitter handle. I mean, yeah, like, make no mistake, this is just the beginning of metaverse jobs. It's super excited. Give it a like, give it a subscribe, share it, show it your friends, start the conversation. Let's see what they think. Most of them are going to be, that's fucking ridiculous. And I guarantee half of them are on less than 13, 15 an hour. And they're going to be devastated and jealous that someone's working in a game remotely from home and earning more money than them. So it's going to be interesting. Let me know what they say in the comments. In the meantime, you know the dance. Invest in yourself, invest in your happiness, live long and hodl a lot of it, mate. Yeah? Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.